See the shear's jaws close precisely on each log with unwavering control. Designed for excavators weighing 15 to 18 tons, this machine handles logs and branches up to 400 millimeters in diameter with controlled force. Operators align the shear carefully, ensuring each cut maximizes efficiency and safety. The robust jaws close on the wood, delivering a clean, decisive slice. You rarely see a shear adapt so seamlessly to varying tree diameters. Once positioned, the hydraulic system powers the jaws, generating immense pressure to sever the material. Even the thickest branches give way under the TMK 400 without hesitation. Adjustments to angle and grip allow operators to manage awkwardly positioned timber while maintaining stability. This is why forestry operations can tackle dense forest stands more effectively. Each cut is monitored, with the operator controlling speed and pressure to protect both the machine and the excavator. And the design also emphasizes longevity. High-strength steel components resist wear, while service points are accessible for routine maintenance. Hard to imagine how much power is contained within such compact hydraulics. A final cut demonstrates the shear's ability to manage multiple logs in succession, showcasing consistent performance. Unexpectedly, even branches that seem too thick are handled smoothly. From the first cut to the last, the TMK 400 operates with a rhythm of strength and reliability, enabling crews to work efficiently in challenging terrain. Hydraulic precision combines with ergonomic design, making complex forestry tasks manageable. Every operator can sense the advantage of such well-engineered machinery. With its capacity and adaptability, the TMK 400 transforms heavy timber handling into a safer, faster process for modern forestry. Debarking frozen wood or bending eucalyptus with high efficiency is exceptional. Fresh-cut softwood and certain broadleaf species enter the machine, guided by a variable speed feeding system. Operators adjust the hydraulic cutter pressure to match different wood types, achieving high peeling clarity without damaging the wood. The four-bladed cutter rotates steadily, stripping bark while maintaining the timber's surface integrity. You rarely encounter a debarker capable of handling frozen or bending wood so reliably. As wood advances, the hydraulic system responds dynamically, applying consistent force to remove bark from eucalyptus, poplar, oak, and elm. Unexpectedly, even challenging wood varieties slide through the cutter smoothly. Skinned wood exits automatically, often achieving a 95% efficiency rate, ready for further processing into veneer or fiberboard. Adjustments can be made on the fly, ensuring uniform results across different logs. The service center supports entire plywood production lines, from glue spreaders and cold/hot presses to sanding machines and DD saws. Maintenance access points are designed for quick inspections, keeping operations continuous. The integration of hydraulic control and variable feed speed makes this setup surprisingly versatile. Every piece of timber moves through a carefully coordinated system where machine reliability and operator control intersect. It's impressive to notice how small adjustments to pressure dramatically affect output quality. Modern plywood and MDF lines depend on this debarking step for consistent, high-quality results. With the TMK 400 and complementary machines, processing a range of wood types becomes a safer, faster workflow. Massive logs meet the Usewood Combi Master with precision feeding and handling on the trailer. The machine's adaptability makes it suitable for both hardwoods and softwoods alike. Hydraulic systems control the clamping and positioning, allowing logs up to 9 feet in length to be processed with minimal manual adjustment. The operator monitors log alignment while the trailer stabilizes uneven terrain, ensuring consistent entry into the peeling system. Little effort is needed to manage heavy timber batches. It's impressive how smoothly even tricky logs slide into place. Each clamping cycle adapts automatically to log diameter, maintaining stability during loading. The trailer's adjustable supports prevent shifting during transport on sloped or uneven surfaces. Sensors detect log placement, ensuring optimal spacing for subsequent peeling or stacking. Hydraulic pressure is fine-tuned for heavy species like oak, preventing splitting during handling. Logs are lifted in sequence, reducing cycle time and enhancing throughput. The efficiency gains are noticeable. Watching the system handle multiple logs at once is genuinely satisfying. The integrated feed system minimizes manual intervention, keeping operations continuous. Load distribution across the trailer is constantly monitored to prevent tipping. Forking and lifting points adjust dynamically for logs of varying lengths. Twisted logs are rotated automatically to align with the trailer bed. The system allows simultaneous handling of multiple logs, improving efficiency. Operators can set customized pressure levels based on wood density. The Combi Master trailer linkage reduces setup time for different wood batches. Clamps respond instantly to shifts caused by uneven surfaces. Logs with irregular knots are stabilized securely before transport. Automatic sequencing maintains a continuous flow from forest to processing line. Some logs seem dense, yet the hydraulic system adapts to avoid damage. Adjustable side rails keep logs centered during travel. The trailer's design allows safe handling of oversized timber sections. Smooth hydraulic control ensures logs remain intact from pickup to unloading. Throughput is maximized while maintaining uniformity and quality across all logs. The system supports rapid switching between different species without downtime. Unexpectedly, heavy logs are clamped securely without slowing the operation. Seeing heavy timber handled safely gives real confidence in the system. Every movement is tracked to prevent errors and ensure operator safety bought in. By linking the Combi Master directly with the trailer, operations achieve continuous high throughput, minimal wood waste, and a controlled process adaptable to multiple wood types. Some logs that seemed unmanageable are handled efficiently, demonstrating the machine's capability to adjust in real time. Every log passing through the system benefits from hydraulic control, blade adaptability, and smooth feed mechanisms, ensuring optimized output for modern wood processing facilities. The overall system shows how automation and smart engineering can transform traditional logging workflows. Hundreds of logs pass through the system every hour, cut and split uniformly. Operators guide each piece into position, making subtle adjustments to guarantee even splitting. This level of consistency shows how well the machine can handle varied timber effortlessly. The machine processes logs of various sizes without slowing down, showing real engineering strength. Hydraulic wedges then push into the wood, splitting each log into multiple sections. The conveyor directs them toward the chip extractor, keeping the workspace organized. Operators remain vigilant, quickly handling any blockages. The seamless flow of logs highlights the system's efficiency under constant load. Even complex logs are handled efficiently, making workflow feel almost effortless. The chip extractor clears shavings, while fans circulate air to minimize dust and improve safety. Minimal intervention is required to keep everything running smoothly, which is a testament to Cubic 2's design. Processing such volumes manually would require significant labor, yet Cubic 2 sustains continuous operation. Cut and split firewood passes through quality verification, ensuring uniform size for stacking or bagging. Automated sorting channels logs to the correct destination. Occasionally, a log slightly shifts, requiring attention, a reminder of how much coordination is involved, despite the machine's efficiency. Every stage is optimized to reduce waste and improve productivity. Throughout, Cubic 2 combines sturdy design with intelligent engineering. Feeding, splitting, debris removal, and sorting work in harmony, allowing a small team to manage high output. Operators can trust the system to maintain quality without constant adjustments. The balance between human control and machine power is remarkable, giving confidence in every batch. Every log entering the POCH S415 multi-firewood processor experiences a controlled journey from feed to split. Operators guide logs onto the belt, adjusting placement slightly to ensure each piece meets the cutting blade squarely. The single-hand joystick allows safe, precise control over both cutting and splitting, keeping the workflow efficient. The Whittier saw blade slices logs to lengths between 20 and 50 centimeters. Even hardwoods that seem difficult are cut cleanly, showing the engineering behind consistent performance. Once cut, each log moves to the splitting station. The rocker swings the piece against the adjustable frame knife, applying up to 18 tons of splitting force. Some sections resist initially, yet the system adapts instantly without operator stress. The adjustable frame allows customization for varying log sizes. Operators monitor the process, making small adjustments if logs shift. A single operator manages the feed, cut, and split cycle effortlessly, highlighting how automation amplifies efficiency. Split logs drop into a receiving area, ready for stacking or further processing. The system ensures even sections, reducing manual sorting afterward. Safety is integrated. The one-hand joystick keeps hands away from moving components, while the stable frame prevents unpredictable movement. Large or irregular logs still find the right path, almost like puzzle pieces locking into place. From feeding to cutting to splitting, the S415 Multi combines human control with mechanical power seamlessly. Operators can maintain continuous production with minimal effort, which is impressive given the machine's capacity. Even during heavy workloads, the workflow stays smooth, and unexpected log shapes are handled with ease. Unexpectedly, sections sometimes land perfectly without additional adjustments, a testament to the balance between design and operator skill. Efficiency and control coexist in every step, making high-volume firewood production both manageable and reliable. Narva S23C is designed to make forestry work more agile and precise. Operators guide the lightweight harvesting head onto tree trunks with minimal effort, controlling cutting and delimbing through just 2 hydraulic hoses. The head handles trees up to 30 centimeters in diameter, executing each cut cleanly. Even denser branches are removed efficiently, which shows how engineering and simplicity combine. The Bluetooth measuring device ensures accurate log lengths, transmitting data to the operator's control unit. It's clever how the system keeps every cut consistent without slowing the workflow. The automatic delimbing feature trims branches up to 0.5 meters per stroke, reducing manual intervention. Operators occasionally adjust positions slightly when logs shift, highlighting how human oversight complements the machine. For larger trees, the S23C remains steady on a 5 to 8 ton excavator or forestry crane. Lightweight but capable, the head can glide over each trunk as if it's dancing along the surface. Logs are measured, cut, and delimited systematically, with each function integrated for smooth output. The head's compact design allows operators to reach tricky angles, increasing efficiency and safety. Operators can manage multiple trees without fatigue, a testament to smart mechanical design. Data from the Bluetooth device helps plan stacking or further processing accurately. Logs appear perfectly measured, almost like puzzle pieces falling into place. How do two machines combine to produce uniform firewood effortlessly? Precision and efficiency guide the S415 Vario as it handles timber. Operators control the 100 centimeters tungsten saw via joystick, cutting logs up to 41 centimeters diameter and 33 centimeters long. Cut rounds move automatically to the splitting unit, producing uniform 4 to 15 centimeters firewood. Two machines working together make managing large volumes almost effortless. Occasionally, logs need repositioning, which keeps operators attentive. Neat cuts really make stacking satisfying. How can recycled wood become a compact, clean-burning energy source without any additives? Gildale Farms turns recycled wood into efficient, uniform pellets with a process that balances power and subtlety. Wood from various streams is sorted and dried to optimize moisture content, ensuring the final product burns cleanly. This makes you think about how small adjustments in preparation affect the end result significantly. The team's attention to detail here makes you appreciate how much precision goes into what seems simple. Even the smallest fragments are considered in the workflow. First, the dry biomass is loaded into a grinder, producing fine wood fibers suitable for pelleting. Any stray metal is removed by a magnetic separator, protecting the machinery. It's clever how metal detection safeguards the process without slowing it down. The fiber moves to the pellet mill, where it is extruded through narrow holes in a thick metal die. The high pressure generates heat, softening natural lignin. This lignin acts as a natural adhesive, binding fibers without the need for additives. The natural bonding shows how material properties can replace chemicals effectively. You can tell how efficiently natural materials are harnessed here. The design of the pellet die ensures every pellet is consistent in shape. Freshly formed pellets leave the die extremely hot and enter the cooling tank. Fans draw air through the mass, extracting heat and removing dust. The removed dust is recycled, maintaining both efficiency and environmental responsibility. Recycling dust keeps waste low and adds value to the material. Seeing the dust looped back makes the whole system feel very smart and resourceful. Conveyors move the cooled pellets into large storage bins, ready for delivery. The storage strategy keeps the pellets ready for fast order fulfillment. Pellets destined for packaging are screened to eliminate fines and dust, ensuring a clean, uniform product. An automated bagger measures, seals, and places pellets onto skids, producing consistent 40-pound bags or tote containers. Automation reduces errors and increases reliability across batches. Bulk deliveries are loaded into trucks for direct customer drop-off, or pneumatic trucks for wider distribution. Consistency in weight and quality reassures customers every time. Through careful management, Gildale Farms produces pellets suitable for clean burning or as highly absorbent animal bedding. This demonstrates the versatility of wood byproducts in different markets. A full truckload of cedar logs sits ready, and the operators spring into action with their Stetsky unloading tools. It's remarkable how a single tool can manage such heavy timber so efficiently. A stationary ZSH-45 mag shredder powers through logs with its 310 kilowatts diesel engine. The wide 47 by 47 centimeters feed opening handles large material effortlessly. The coarse chips it produces have minimal fines, showing how thoughtfully the machine separates material. These chips are ideal for wood gasification. Impressive output from a single unit handled so cleanly. How can one machine handle varying board sizes automatically without error? This machine is built to handle continuous production without compromise. The SAFX Cut Automatic positions the material with pinpoint accuracy using its automated feed system, aligning boards for exact cuts. The operator oversees the process, adjusting settings for varying board sizes and thicknesses. Although the feed system is automated, human oversight is required to set the correct dimensions for different boards. Automation clearly balances efficiency with consistent quality, earning real respect for its design. The dense forest near Windisch Umweltservice holds hidden challenges in every rootstock. The AHWI 650 Mulcher, paired with a Fendt 930 Vario, tackles these obstacles efficiently. You can tell how much raw power is concentrated in this setup. As the machine approaches a large rootstock, its milling head engages, chipping away wooden roots with consistent force. The robust diesel engine delivers the torque needed to process stubborn material without slowing down. Seeing a single operator manage such a complex system shows how human expertise complements machinery. Each pass over a rootstock reduces it to small, reusable material, ready for soil improvement or further landscaping applications. How efficiently the AHWI 650 converts what was once a bulky obstacle into manageable mulch. The combination of mechanical strength, intelligent controls, and operator skill ensures rapid, consistent results. This method not only clears land effectively, but also promotes environmental stewardship by recycling organic material. The partnership of the Fendt tractor and AHWI mulcher illustrates the synergy between modern engineering and practical forestry management. The scale of a mature gum tree in Sydney can be staggering, but the Vermeer BC2100XL with SmartFeed handles it with ease. You can tell the engineering behind this machine is built for high volume efficiency. As the tree is guided into the chipper, SmartFeed adjusts feed speed automatically, preventing jams and ensuring smooth operation. The operator monitors progress, making minor adjustments to optimize throughput. Makes you appreciate how much thought goes into matching power with control. The cutting drum spins at high speed, shearing thick branches and trunk segments into uniform chips. The hydraulically powered feed rollers maintain constant pressure, reducing manual effort and maximizing chip consistency. How quickly a tree that once dominated the skyline becomes useful wood material. Large sections are reduced systematically, with chips expelled through the chute into waiting containers or piles. The entire process balances speed, safety, and efficiency, highlighting advanced mechanical design. Once processed, the wood chips are suitable for mulch, landscaping, or biomass energy applications. The operator can fine-tune the chip size and output rate based on intended use, demonstrating adaptability. You rarely see machines handle massive trees with such precision and minimal downtime. Safety systems prevent accidental feedback flow and protect both operator and machine, ensuring reliable operation under challenging conditions. The combination of SmartFeed technology, high-capacity drum, and hydraulic feed system allows even one person to manage substantial volumes of material effectively. This process not only clears large gum trees efficiently, but also generates material that can be reused sustainably, emphasizing both productivity and environmental responsibility. From forest debris to clean energy, Eagle Valley's wood pellets demonstrate the power of transforming waste into valuable fuel. Transporters bring wet wood shavings and sawdust, often around 40% moisture, to the Princeton and West Bank facilities. The material is sorted, separating sawdust from larger shavings. Smart separation ensures the final pellet quality is uniform and clean. Every step of handling raw wood highlights how resource management begins long before the pellet mill. Eagle Valley wood pellets provide clean burning heat without excessive particulates, benefiting both residential and industrial users. The integration of recycling, drying, and extrusion demonstrates how thoughtful production can reduce environmental impact. The pellets also take advantage of white pine and spruce, with no bark, foreign wood, or chemicals, ensuring fuel quality. Using native species maximizes energy content and maintains product consistency. The company delivers products across North America, Asia, and Europe, maintaining high standards while expanding capacity. Makes you appreciate how much work goes into each uniform pellet. Using mountain pine beetle-affected timber highlights the industry's ability to turn ecological challenges into productive resources. Strategic sourcing of timber affected by pests shows practical problem solving. This approach shows innovation, environmental care, and practicality all in one. Every pellet represents a careful balance of efficiency, sustainability, and energy potential.